Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ron Linke. I'm the Assistant Director of Business Administration for the North Penn School District. I'd like to thank you for taking the time out of your schedule today to join us for the elevator repair bid for the North Penn High School. Before we get started, we do have Tom Schneider, who's our Director of Facility and Operations, on the line. He will be conducting the bid opening with me. And before we also get started, cover some ground rules. Please be aware that this meeting is being recorded. We ask that you mute yourself until the end of the bid opening. Please hold all your questions or comments until the end of the bid opening, if there are any. And you remain muted until the end of the bid opening, and we'll let you know when time occurs and when it's okay for you to ask questions. We anticipate that this bid will be awarded at the board meeting on January 19th, 2023. And I'd like to thank everyone for joining us, and I will hand it over to Tom.
Thank you, Mr. Today we have two bids, and I will be starting out with the first bid. This bid contains a base bid and 2 unit prices, and then a total amount. I will be reading all three of those, and also it includes a substantial completion date, which I will also read. We will do a quick review of documents that are required for the bid, but a final review will occur after the bid opening. So we'll start with the first bid. The first bid is from Kencor Incorporated. The bid bond is included. Inclusion affidavit is included. Qualification sheets included. Base bid is $15,400. $15,400. The unit price number 1 to replace the piping is $14,038. Unit price number 2 to reseal and repack the piston is $3,903, for a total amount of the repair of $33,341. The estimated completion date is 6 months, to be determined, but within 6 months. The second bid that we're in receipt of is from Tri-State Elevator Company. A certified check is included. Non-collusion affidavits included. Qualification statement. Get into the bid form. The base bid is $12,350. The unit price number 1 to replace the piping is a no bid, not needed. Unit price number 2 to reseal and repack the piston is $7,050. I'm sorry, $7,350, for a total amount of $19,700. The estimated completion date for the installation is 1 to 2 days. That is the final bid of the 2 bids that we received. So all bids have been received. Mr. Linke, I'll turn it back over to you.
Okay, thank you, Tom. All right, I'm gonna share my screen so everyone can see the bid results. Can you see that? Okay. I'll leave that out there for a minute or two. If anyone has any questions at this time, you're more than welcome to unmute yourself and ask those questions. Hearing no questions, the video recording of this bid opening will be posted on our website once it's been prepared. We'd like to thank you again for participating in our bid request, and we know this takes a lot of time and effort on your part. So again, thank you so much and have a great afternoon. We ask that you mute yourself until the end of the bid opening, and we ask you hold all your questions or comments until the end of the bid opening if you have any. And you ask to remain muted until the end of the bid opening, and we'll let you know when that time occurs, when it's okay to ask any questions or comments. We anticipate this bid will be awarded at the board meeting on January 19th, 2023. With that said, we'll get started. First bid is from School Specialty. Bear with me as I take notes here at the same time. All right, we have one from School Specialty to decline the bid. All right, second bid is from Wireless Communications and Electronics. We have a non-collusion affidavit form. We've got the qualification statement. Now, the bond or cashier's check. Seems to be missing the bid bond or cashier's check. What their bid is for the 25 radios is $33,990. For the 25 earpiece units, the total is $2138.75. And the 5-year warranty is included in all the prices, so there's no additional charge. So the total bid is $36,128.75. That is all the bids we have received. At this time, I'm going to share my screen of the results so everyone can see. Give me 1 second here. Of course, my computer is not set up to set up screens at the moment.
Hey, Ron.
How you doing, Bob?
Good.
Can you see the spreadsheet on the screen?
I can.
Okay, these are the bid results that we just opened. Again, repeating, school specialty was a bid we received. They declined the bid according to their letter. And the other one is wireless communications and electronics. And their
Okay.
total bid is $36,128.75. If anyone has any questions, you're more than welcome to unmute and ask them at this time. Okay, hearing no questions. The video recording will be posted on our website once it's been prepared. And we want to thank you all for coming out and participating in our two-way radio bid.
Hey, Ron, just real quick, I want to
Yes.
confirm that you are recording.
Yes, I am recording.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
All right. Any other questions before we end this? Okay. Everyone have a great afternoon.